I'm Alastair McEwin, a Professor of Practice in Disability here at UNSW. Through my work, it is important to me to see systemic and cultural change that results in greater inclusion of disabled people in everything we do, including the way we educate our students. Today's event marks an important step in this journey. I'm honored to be a part of the launch of the Diversified Inclusive Teaching Toolkit. This is a resource that is compelling for many reasons. Two of those reasons are: one, it speaks to the future of inclusive education, and two, it has been developed right from the start by the very people most impacted. We know, and the research confirmed, that education systems still too often exclude by design. For disabled, neurodivergent, and chronically ill students, learning environment can be confusing, inaccessible, or even harmful. That exclusion isn't always intentional. Sometimes it's simply because it's deeply embedded into the way things have always been done. That is what makes this toolkit so powerful. It's grounded in universal design for learning. This is a framework that values flexibility, accessibility, and multiple ways of engaging with content and teaching. It doesn't wait until someone asks for support. It's proactive and inclusive from the start. Just as importantly, this toolkit is student-led and developed through co-production with lived experience. It wasn't created for disabled students, it was created with them. And that distinction matters. What you're seeing today isn't just a set of resources such as checklists and video series. It's more than that. It's the blueprint for the next steps in inclusive education. The toolkit recognizes the diverse cognitive, emotional, and physical needs of our students and is in alignment with those needs. The toolkit ties in directly into those larger priorities we should all care about: educational equity, mental health, retention, student well-being and belonging, and student success. It supports educators to teach more effectively and support students to learn with more confidence. When we talk about neuro inclusion, we're not just talking about minor tweaks. We're talking about the fact that many neurodivergent students, including those with ADHD, autism, dyslexia, or mental health and physical condition, are left out, even in spaces that claim to be inclusive. This toolkit takes that seriously. We cannot say our systems are inclusive if they fail the student most impacted by exclusion. To my colleagues, educators, program leaders, curriculum designers, and university executives, I say this: use this toolkit, embrace it, share it, embed it, reflect on it, make it part of your professional learning, your staff induction, and your course design reviews. And more than that, listen to the students and educators behind it. Invite co-production, resource it, and commit to long-term change, one small step at a time. This toolkit doesn't just solve a problem, It signals a movement and creates momentum for greater inclusion of disabled and neurodivergent people. I congratulate all those involved in the development of this toolkit. They are to be commended for their leadership and vision in seeing this come to a reality. I look forward to seeing this toolkit become an essential part of the way we do things here at UNSW.